Hey, what's up YouTubers? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we're going to be learning how to change a light bulb. Alright, first thing you want to do, make sure that this thing is unplugged. Right now I am using an old desk lamp. Alright, this particular one, all I got to do is take the hood off of it, or the cover off of it, by squeezing the sides. And I see the little light bulb, and you're gonna go ahead, and as long as the power is off and unplugged, you're just gonna do a lefty loosey, righties for tighty if you guys don't know that yet, and twist this thing off and make sure that you're using a light bulb of the same watt. Could be a little bit lower. Where are we here? So this one is, there it is, 13 watts, right? And it says do not use with dimmer. So sometimes you have some special instructions on the light bulb, but anyway, you could just go ahead and get a new one, pop it right on there, righty tighty, and then a little hard to do it left-handed. There we go. Like my little Lambo desk lamp. Alright, that's it. Just pop the lamp hood back on there, plug it back in, and you're back in business. Alright, thanks a lot YouTubers. Have a great rest of the day.